to upload the intro to this video, but man, yeah, follow me on Instagram at everything Mr. Lee. We about to put the door handles on the Hyundai Accent and get everything going. Yeah, follow me on IG at everything Mr. Lee. So like this channel, like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell to be updated when I put up more videos. And again, I appreciate y'all for watching, man. Y'all stay tuned for this journey. Yo, what's going on, YouTube? We are back, man. And right now, today, I'm replacing these door handles. As you can see, this one is, we did get it open now, but yeah, just replacing these door handles on that side too. Quick walk around. I have the mirror for that, so I'm gonna replace that mirror. This door handle. I got some hub caps for these for these tires. Then I'm gonna give it a good bath and all of that, and then it should be, well, I ain't gonna say ready for sale, but I'm gonna drive it around a little bit to keep practicing. But yeah, I'm gonna replace this door handle also. Like I said, we got both doors open now, so that's cool. Outside and inside, because this is broke. And that other one was broke also, which is on the floor right there. And yeah, so y'all see it. Slow motion, slow grinding, but we get into it, so I'll be back with y'all in the next one. All right, so y'all see it. It's dark now. Took me a minute to get everything done, but it's still a little like whatever, but that's not a big deal. It worked, that's all that matters. Check the other side. I guess we'll do a quick walk around too. Like I said, I got hub caps for these once I wash it up and clean the inside, but mirror on the other side, I had to replace the mirror also. Let's see. Hyundai Accent. This handle's fixed. Oh, need the key, hold up. There we go. There we go. All right, that's fixed. That knob is fixed. That door handle's fixed. Oh, and I don't know if y'all could tell in one of my other videos, but this mirror was broke, like the glass was gone, so I just purchased a new mirror, put that in today too. And yeah, man. So I know it's late. I get frustrated easy and when it ain't working how it's supposed to, but anyway, it's done. Next thing is be to clean it out and all that, so I'll do that in another video. But if y'all haven't already, man, like this video, share this video, comment, let me know what you think about the Hyundai Accent. Subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell if you haven't already. Subscribe to my channel, man. I appreciate y'all taking this journey with me. We're gonna keep going, we're gonna keep grinding. Y'all know what it is, man. And yeah, appreciate y'all. Peace.